You wake up with nothing. No job. No money. No backup plan. Just your clothes, your phone, and 24 hours to figure it out. What do? Most people panic. They freeze. But the truth is, you're only ever a few smart moves away from turning zero into momentum. Here's exactly what I'd do if I had to start from $0. No fluff, no fake guru nonsense. Just real, practical steps anyone can follow, even if they feel stuck at the bottom. Step 1. Regain control, Day 0 mindset. When you're at rock bottom, the most valuable thing you have isn't money, it's your mindset. The first thing I'd do is stop blaming, stop spiraling, and start planning. I'd grab a notebook or use the Notes app and answer 3 questions. What skill do I already have that someone might pay for? What can I do today to earn $20 to $50? Who do I know, even loosely, who's resourceful, not rich? This isn't about saving the world. It's about getting your head straight so you can move. Panic creates paralysis. Clarity creates options. Step 2. Enter cashflow mode, earn fast. Forget long-term goals for now. I need cash today. I'd walk dogs, clean garages, move furniture, or offer to mow lawns. I'd check Facebook Marketplace for free items I can flip. I'd hit TaskRabbit or Kijiji and look for one-off gigs. And I'd do all of this with one mindset. Make $100 in 48 hours. If I can do that, I'm out of survival mode and into strategy mode. I'd document every dollar I earn, to prove to myself, I'm not powerless. I'm in motion. Step 3. Build a repeatable skill, not a job. Now that I've stabilized, it's time to upgrade. I'd ask myself, what's one simple skill I can learn fast, and sell repeatedly? Top picks. Writing short blog posts, editing TikTok videos, building basic websites, designing Canva graphics, doing customer support. I'd watch tutorials, study top freelancers, and mimic their style. And I'd commit to 1 hour a day of practice, no excuses. This is how you create income that scales, not just tasks that trade time for money. Step 4. Live smaller than small. Now here's where most people mess up. They make $300 and go out to celebrate. Not me. If I'm living off $10 minus 15 per day, everything else goes into a high-interest savings account or investing app. Even with just $5 per day, I can start building. If you haven't watched our $5 a day strategy to grow wealth video yet, cue it up next. You'll see how even the smallest habits stack up. I'm not trying to feel rich. I'm trying to buy my freedom. Step 5. Create a daily system, not just a hustle. Consistency beats intensity. Here's the schedule I'd follow for the first 30 days. 1 hour of income, freelance or local gigs, 1 hour of learning, videos, books, practice, 30 minutes of outreach, pitch 5 clients or apply to 3 jobs, 15 minutes of journaling, track income, mood, progress. That's not theory. That's control. Over time, it becomes your rhythm, and rhythms build results. Step 6. Use social leverage, build an asymmetric circle. Starting from $0 financially doesn't mean you start from $0 socially. I'd engage with creators, freelancers, and small business owners. Not to beg, but to learn and help. I'd offer to write testimonials, share their posts, ask smart questions, volunteer in exchange for feedback. That kind of energy is magnetic. Eventually, someone opens a door because they saw you earn it. No money required. Just humility and initiative. Step 7. Double down on what works. Momentum creates clarity. If flipping items works, I'd scale it. Find more, systemize it, maybe even partner with someone. If freelance writing clicks, I'd specialize and raise my rates. If content creation gains traction, I'd batch and stay consistent. Most people jump from one thing to another. I'd focus on the one that compounds, and go all in. Mini mindset break. What you learn when you start at $0. When you start at 0, you learn how to do more with less, how to think long-term while surviving short-term, how to create value instead of chase validation, and if you can rebuild from nothing once, you become unbreakable. So now I want to hear from you. If you had to start over with $0, what's the very first thing you do? Drop it in the comments. You never know who you might inspire. And if you're serious about changing your money story, watch these videos next. $5 a day strategy to grow wealth. Side hustles that still work in 2025. 7 toxic money habits keeping you poor. This channel is here to help you win, whether you're starting from zero or scaling to your first million. Subscribe, and let's build from the ground up.